Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between the Mi 11X device versus Realme GT Neo 2 device while playing the Call of Duty gameplay. As you can see friends, right now I do have these both phones. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of touch sampling rate while firing at same time. So right now I'm going to join in same room between these both phones and let's see friends. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So which phone will be having what kind of results in terms of the touch sampling rate, so which phone can actually fire first. I'll try to press at same time while firing, and in this way we'll be able to observe exactly which phone has got what type of touch sampling rate during this process of demonstration. So let me need to join in one private room, and then I'll try to start the match as well after this one. So let's start the match. And right now I did connect to the Wi-Fi network, same Wi-Fi network connected between these both phones. Let me show you exactly what is the Wi-Fi network. So 2.4 GHz network connected, as you can see friends, in the Realme GT Neo 2, and I'll try to show you the network in the Mi 11X device as well. In the Mi 11X also it's connected to the same 2.4 GHz network, as you can see. So both phones are connected to the same kind of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network itself at this moment, as you can clearly see friends. And this test I'll try to include in two different methods. So first method without using any kind of GT mode and no high performance mode, and second method with using high performance mode and the GT mode. In this way we'll be able to exactly observe what's happening with overall difference between these both phones. So right now we'll be able to see friends exactly which phone actually fires first. Let me need to press at same time. I'll try to press. So 1, 2 and 3. So first phone to finish is, I think, Mi 11X device did win in this kind of race. As you can see, Mi 11X device did shoot first the Realme GT Neo 2, and now let me to start the test again. So let's reload. And let's shoot at same time. Let's see which one actually fires first again. So 1, 2 and 3. This time the Realme GT Neo 2 did kill the Mi 11X device at this moment. So right now both phones are completely with full health. As you can see, right now I did maintain full health as well between these both phones. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones I did select the same type of gun as well, and right now full health is there, 800 and 800, you can clearly see, completely with full health. And let me need to tap at same time fire button. Let's see which phone actually fires first. So 1, 2 and 3. Again, the first phone to fire is the Mi 11X device at this moment. As you can clearly see friends, Mi 11X device not bad. So now let me need to regain my complete health by hurting myself. Let me need to kill myself and I'll try to regain my health again. So right now let me need to turn on the GT mode. So there's a special mode which is called the GT mode, which is present in the Realme GT device. Let me need to turn on the GT mode. So using the GT mode, sometimes it can actually improve the touch sampling rate as well. That is what the Realme did mention in terms of the touch sampling rate. Again, I'll be trying to connect, and let me need to close this game and again reopen the game. Close it and open it again. Because when I enable the GT mode, I need to reopen the game as well. Sometimes some users, they do prefer like this. So let's start the game again, and let's see friends, this time using GT mode, and let me need to enable the high performance mode as well. I forgot to enable the high performance mode. Let's go to the battery options which is present in this phone, and high performance mode is turned on. That's also perfect. So now with the GT mode and with the high performance mode, now we're gonna see what the difference it gonna make any kind of difference or not between these both phones. So right now let's see friends, using the GT mode and using the high performance mode, what's the results gonna be there. And full health is there between these both phones at this moment, and let's see, let's start the test. So 1, 2 and 3. This time the Realme GT Neo 2 did win. As you can clearly see what has happened just now. So let me try to out myself. Let's see friends, second time what happens with the GT mode turned on and with the high performance mode. Again, the both health are completely similar, 800 and 800, nothing much difference. Let's start 1, 2 and 3. As you can see friends, the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got GT mode, I think the GT mode is enhancing slightly kind of high touch sampling rate. That's what I did feel. So when I'm trying to use, so in terms of enhancing the slightly higher touch sampling rate, let me to kill myself and I'll try to come back with a full health, same like the other. So this will be kind of equal test. So let's try again. So this is the last time which I'm going to try. This time we'll be able to observe exactly the difference what's happening in terms of the touch sampling rate overall. Right now, as you can see, it's not bad. Yep. So now is the fire button. Let's fire at same time both phones. So 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, at the same time I did click. The difference is, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the phone. So let me need to change the phones top and bottom. So that's what another few users they did request me to change the phones as well. So here we go. Let's do the test again. Yep. So let's start. So changing the position. So right now Realme GT Neo 2 is in the bottom and Mi Linux 2 is in the top. And now we're gonna fire at same time. Let's see this time. 600 Hz touch sampling rate, which may be instant touch sampling rate. That's what I'm expecting in the Realme GT Neo 2. And Mi Linux has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, which is present in this device. Let's start 1, 2 and 3. This time the Mi Linux device did win a little bit, as you can see. So both are pretty close, nothing much huge different, but just a little bit. Sometimes Mi Linux device is winning, sometimes the Realme GT Neo 2 is winning. But I'll try to come back with another testing as well, which is a battery on mobile game very soon. In case if you all are interested, I can definitely plan that video as soon as possible, the battery on mobile game. Right now, as you can see, friends, I'm going to fire at same time. So let's see this time which phone actually wins. So both are completely full health. So 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, this time the Mi Linux device did win a little bit kind of in this kind of race, and try to observe the latency as well. Sometimes the latency also may affect some. Right now the latency in the Realme GT Neo 2 is about, I think, 35 milliseconds we are getting, and in the Mi Linux device it's showing about, I think, close to 35. So both phones are having exactly kind of very close milliseconds latency, not bad. So this, friends, thank you for watching this quick testing on this Realme GT Neo 2 and the Mi Linux device. You got in the touch sampling rate. Overall, it feels kind of similar between these both phones. Nothing much huge difference with the touch sampling rate anyway. And in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely, I'll be able to help you out with your doubts as well. Let's do the final touch sampling rate fire, and let's see. 1, 2 and 3. Mi Linux device did kill it. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and very soon I'll try to come back with the Battlegrounds mobile game as well, comparing both phones side by side in terms of the Battlegrounds mobile game, or both phones are actually handling with those touch sampling rate comparison. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off until then. Bye.